If you're a homeowner in Deltona, Florida, you know how unpredictable the weather can be. From scorching summer heat to cooler winter nights, your home needs to be a comfortable haven no matter the season. While many people focus on windows and insulation when trying to improve energy efficiency, your doors play a major role too. Installing energy-efficient doors is one of the smartest home upgrades you can make to stay comfortable all year long. These doors not only enhance your home's climate control but also reduce energy bills, increase indoor air quality, and add long-term value to your property. Let's explore how energy-efficient doors make a difference, and why they're an ideal choice for homeowners in Deltona. Minimize heat transfer during hot Deltona summer. Florida is known for its hot, humid summers, and your doors are often a primary entry point for outdoor heat. Traditional or older doors may not be well insulated or sealed, allowing hot air to seep inside and forcing your air conditioner to work harder. Energy-efficient doors are designed to block heat transfer, using insulated cores, tight seals, and weather stripping. They help keep the cool air in and the hot air out, making your indoor spaces feel more comfortable, even during peak summer months. Keep warm air inside on cooler winter nights. While Deltona's winters are generally mild, temperatures can still drop significantly at night. If your door isn't properly insulated, that warmth can escape, making your home feel drafty and uncomfortable. An energy-efficient door helps regulate indoor temperature year-round by maintaining a strong thermal barrier. This means fewer drafts, less reliance on your HVAC system, and more consistent comfort. Lower energy bills. Because energy-efficient doors help stabilize your home's temperature, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work overtime. This leads to lower monthly energy bills, which is a huge benefit for budget-conscious homeowners. Over time, the savings on utilities can offset the cost of the door installation, making it a wise long-term investment. In addition, energy-efficient upgrades may qualify for local rebates or federal tax credits, providing even more value. Improve indoor air quality. Energy-efficient doors also help keep outdoor pollutants, dust, pollen, and moisture from entering your home. In Florida's humid climate, reducing indoor moisture is especially important for preventing mold and mildew buildup. With proper sealing and better materials, these doors contribute to a cleaner and healthier living environment, especially for households with allergy sufferers or respiratory issues. Enhance curb appeal and home value. Today's energy-efficient doors come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes. Whether you want a modern look, a rustic touch, or a traditional entryway, you can enhance your curb appeal without compromising performance. Buyers are also increasingly interested in energy-efficient features. If you plan to sell your home down the line, having updated, high-performance doors can increase your home's resale value and attract eco-conscious buyers. Durability that withstands Florida weather. Deltona's climate can be harsh on building materials. From intense sun to heavy rainfall and humidity, doors can warp, fade, or deteriorate over time. Energy-efficient doors are typically made from durable materials like fiberglass, steel, or insulated wood, which are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. These doors are resistant to rust, rot, and warping, ensuring that they maintain both function and appearance for years. Final thought for Deltona homeowners looking to improve comfort, save money, and protect their home from the elements. Energy-efficient doors are a smart and sustainable solution. Whether you're building new, remodeling, or simply upgrading an old door, the right choice can have a year-round impact on your home's comfort and efficiency. Ready to make your home more comfortable and energy-smart? Talk to a local expert about the best energy-efficient door options for Deltona's climate, and enjoy peace of mind in every season.